So then to grade the formative assessments, as you'll see here, the virus information one from the podcast before is now in my gradebook. If you have other things, go ahead and scroll all the way to the right until you see it. Formative should be blue, summative should be green. You then click virus information or whatever formative assessment task you have. Now you'll have a local score out of 3. You can either type it in or you can use the arrows to choose. Now if a student drops out of the school, for some reason isn't there, you can get an NA, but we should have all students with their local score. If you'd like to add a comment with it, therefore just asking for an explanation or making sure, some sort of reminder, or congratulating them on some sort of post or assignment they have or room for improvement in the future, you could put that here. Once you are done with any filled out task, this is formative or summative, there's a button up here that says send grades notification. What this does is it sends an email to all parents and all students here about their grade. So if you send that out, it's a good way to consistently communicate with the parents and the students that you're keeping up on this, and can be used as data points later on if they reference that there wasn't enough communication going on with that. So make sure that you are sending grade notifications, adding your local score, and a comment for those formative assessments. If you have any more questions, feel free to let me know.